Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get a real-world map in Unreal Engine. This is completely free, you can do it by following the steps in the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Now we can go to the tutorial. Open Epic Games Marketplace and search for Cesium. Click Install to Engine and select Engine version. Download may take some time. Go to the library. Check the plugin and launch Unreal Engine. You can create a new project or add it to your own project. Click on Manage Plugins and search for Cesium in Plugins. Select Cesium and click Restart Now. Cesium screen will open after Unreal Engine restart. Now open the Content drawer and right-click to create a new map. Open the map and click Save Selected. Click to connect to Cesium Ion. A browser tab will open. Log in with any account. Click to allow, and go back to Unreal Engine. New options here. Add Cesium Sun Sky. Add Google Photorealistic 3D tiles and select Use an Exist token. And you can now move around the world. Search for your destination city in the browser and enter Google Maps. Right-click on the destination and click on the coordinates. Paste these coordinates anywhere. Now copy the numbers to the left of the comma. Go back to Unreal Engine and enter Cesium georeference. The coordinates are here. Paste the copied numbers into origin latitude. Now copy the numbers to the right of the comma and paste it into origin longitude. And we're here. Wait for loading. Add clouds and fog for a more beautiful view. Now we are ready. You can shoot cinematics on this map as you like. You can ask me on Discord where you don't understand. You can follow me on Patreon to support me and follow me on Instagram to keep up to date with what's new.